How to use camera flash for calls notification on your Xiaomi device. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can use camera flash for calls notification on your Xiaomi device. So if you want to use the call flash for incoming calls on your Xiaomi phone, you can enable the flash on incoming feature through the setting. Here's the process how you can do that. So for that you have to watch the video till the end. First of all, you have to go to the setting app of your Xiaomi device. So once you are here, you have to look for the additional setting here. Once you are on your additional setting, you can go for the accessibility depending on your device. So on your accessibility, you can look for the option of camera flash for incoming call here. If you don't find that, you have to go back. It will be depend on your device. So you have to just go and search here and go for the flash when ringing. When you have so after searching for that, here you can see the incoming call setting. So on here you can see the flash when ringing. So just toggle this option on to enable the camera flash when you receive a call. Once enabled, the flash will blink whether you get an incoming call. So the flash will blink a few times but it won't stay on. So this is the simple step how we can use camera flash for calls notification or flash on incoming call. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.